Cañada. Shoot. He is rejected by Harold Santa Cruz.
Harold Santa Cruz is he's a good vertical leap, that's why. And good timing.
Jovis Gomez.
Gomez scoring. He has 4.
Well, that's what Jovic needs. He was able to get that icebreaker shot earlier.
15 shot block.
Floodgates are now open.
The score 33.
Woodrow Rodriguez.
And the Parker going back on 34-33. Very tight ball game here in the first half. She's battle, Anthony.
That's right. Now, Lloyd Ortigueza. But Lloyd Ortigueza still groping for form.
Oh, what a move there by Woodrow Enriquez.
A good job by Ariel De Castro clubbing the inside. Of course, Ariel De Castro occupies a lot of space.
Lloyd Ortigueza. Ariel De Castro.
Speaking of Exardia, look at the Philippines has a lot of potential offensive weapons on the bench and on the floor. We got Nadio Pondolan, Lloyd Ortigueza, Jovic Gomez. As
10
well,
seconds.
on the floor at the same time.
And Ariel De Castro providing sparks downstairs. He's got 7 rebounds in this first half action. Harold Santa Cruz drives. He faces
Harold Santa Cruz.
Was Harold Santa Cruz one time one of the top players of Metran. I think the biggest lead enjoyed by Cindy, 3 points.
Mark Abadia is fouled.
Ball number 71, second personal.